Okay, to search and replace text in Jane Write, hit the search icon in the bottom right corner. Then it'll ask what you're searching for. I'm going to search for test. And then what you want to replace it with. I'm going to replace it with testing. Then if you want to replace all, yes or no, I'll do yes this time. Then click OK. And every test has been changed to testing. So we'll try it again. This time I'm going to search for testing. Replace with test. Leave replace all no selected, then click OK. Then it'll ask you for each one if you want to just ignore it and find the next one, or change it and find the next one, or to change this one and then exit. So I'm going to go with the middle one, OK, change, then find the next. And it's going to ask me about the next one, click OK. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.